Good morning.
Good morning.
Prepared a sermon? I did not. But we are here to enlighten you a little bit about our ministry. My name is Tom Lajeunesse. This is my wife Tracy. This is Journey. And we're with His Girls Discipleship. We are a one-year residential program. It's Christ-centered for women and children coming out of sex trafficking, addiction, and abuse. Any life crisis of that matter. We're here local, but the women come from all over the country to this program to find His glory. Is really, they're not sure that's what it is, but that's what it is. It's to find their identity in Him and to reach those places that only He can reach and only He can set forward. So we're honored to be able to come into your community and your worship house today and talk a little bit about that so that you might understand what we have, our service, what we offer the community, and what God is doing in it for the women and children. Basically, the women that come into our program, they come from all walks of life. They're the same people and women that are in every single community, including yours. Their mothers, their daughters, their sisters, aunts, their friends, their co-workers, they're people that you see every single day sometimes. And sometimes their life has been turned upside down, and you might not even know it to any extent. But they come to us, and what we do is we point to Jesus, and we show them that their identity is greater than the things that have happened in their life, that have happened to them, the things that they have been through. The testimony is basically it's the word that, and it's the proof that God is working in and through their lives. We're grateful. We're actually the more blessed ones being part of their journey and watching all that He does through them as they go through this year. It's a year long. They get up. They're not chained in. They're not locked in, but they're sick and tired of being sick and tired most of the time is what they come to us. They come to us through all different avenues, but the thing that they all have in common is that they need Him. They need to understand their identity in Him, and that's the thing that helps them become whole. It's the thing that fills all the holes in their heart that they've been trying to fill with all the other things. Like the brokenness causes those holes. They try to fill it with drugs and different things that just doesn't fit because the hole is shaped like